Hello, friends. I finally came down to get some luggage for the trip next weekend down the PCH. And, getting rained on. Maybe this guy knows. Well, it's going to be a long ride home. I had to come all the way down to Fife, to Ducati, to get the bags I wanted, because they're the only ones that carry them. And I'm like, I don't even know, probably like 40 miles away from home. Sucks. Plus it hasn't rained in like forever, so fuck. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Brand new chain already looks loose. Yep. Fuck, man. I don't get it. Have to adjust that shit. Yeah. People are gonna fucking laugh at me the whole ride home. Am I in my appropriate wet weather gear? No. Was it supposed to rain today? No. I am stoked as fuck about these bags though, so hopefully I don't die on the way home before I get to install them and shit. Yeah. I'm not having a real good day, friends. It is still fucking raining really hard. In fact, I think it picked up a lot. Now up there, I don't know if the camera's totally washed out right now or what. Try and help out, probably did nothing. But it looks like there's a break in the clouds. So there's hope for our young hero. But this is totally my fault. This is exclusively my fault, and I deserve every minute of this for taking all my rainproof gear out of my fucking bag. I had to make room, I guess, in fairness, to get these luggage bags I just bought down in Fife, but it was supposed to be hot today. And I had some work meetings to do, so I had to leave the West End and go to Redmond. And then from Redmond, I came down to Fife today. And I was like, you know what, F this traffic, it's supposed to be nice. I would like to save some fuel mileage and use the Diamond Lane all day. Look at that shit, no rain over there. Plenty of rain over here. So of course, my ass fucking took all my stuff out. And as an added bonus, I was like, you know what? Since it's supposed to be hot and I don't want to fucking fuss around with trying to find a place to store my pants, I'm just going to wear blue jeans. That was a great idea. I mean, I know it's not totally safety first because I'm an asshole. I decided to go for it anyway. I think the only highlight that's coming from any of this is the fact that I am presently riding a motorcycle, which is kind of exciting. And all of my friends are going to fucking laugh at me for this and say, I told you so. And the other highlight is that these Michelin Pilot Road 4s that I bought are actually pretty grippy in the rain, I gotta say. I'm overall super excited about that purchase. However, the rest of my gear is entirely leather. Leather, I will have you know, I just cleaned and finished last night because I had some time to do it. So I conditioned and cleaned my jacket and my fucking gloves, and I got them all dried out and fit. Bullshit. And even my fucking boots that normally stay pretty good in light showers are drenched. My toes are soaked. So they're definitely super ventilated right now. And again, the only ironic part about this is I went to Fife to get fucking waterproof luggage. So I can have waterproof luggage for my PCH trip next weekend. God damn it. Everything's not coming up Millhouse right now. I'll have you guys know. But the rain is picking up, so I'm trying to sauce boss my way home now.
Playtime is over. Say what? Over. Say what? I got no time to play no games with you. Playtime is over.